Hi everyone, my name is Iva. Welcome to my channel. I want to show you this very easy and satisfying coconut flour pancake recipe. I'm using a cup of coconut flour and a cup of regular flour. It's this time of quarantine and I don't really have access to a lot of ingredients, so I'm using what I have handy. I have one frozen, really ripe banana that I smashed with a fork. As milk, I used coconut milk, but almond or oat milk will work well too. Sweetening mine with honey and adding a little bit of vanilla extract. And I also decided to make a blueberry preserve with the rest of the frozen blueberries. I just added some water with sugar, and after it started boiling, I added the frozen blueberries. And now is my favorite part of serving the pancakes. I added some organic almond butter just for some extra protein and to keep me full until later. Sprinkled a little bit of chia seeds, even though I put some inside the pancakes, but this is just to make the plate look nice. And then added the blueberry preserve. And then I had some fresh mint in the fridge, so I added few leaves, and actually it tasted so good. It complemented the blueberry preserve so well. And just enjoy your breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe during this hard time and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!